In the heart of North Carolina, where lush landscape meet modern living, a growing number of homeowners are embracing the minimalism charm of Japanese-style tiny homes. These compact sanctuaries emphasize simplicity, harmony, and efficiency values reflected not only in architectural but in every carefully curated detail inside. One of the most essential components in achieving both aesthetic beauty and practical function in such home lies in the design of the cabinets. Nestled between rolling hills and whispering pines, a Japanese-style tiny home in North Carolina stands as a tranquil retreat. Within its serene interior, every inch is optimized for comfort and intention, one of the most transformative elements. Elegant, multifunctional cabinetry that merge form and purpose with understand brilliance. Crafted from light tone woods like hinoki, cypress, or maple, the cabinets blend seamlessly into the space, echoing traditional Japanese design principle, clean lines, and natural materials, and also quiet elegance. Sliding shoji-style doors conceal ample storage while eliminating the need for swinging door that consumes the space. The smooth glazing panels, often embedded with rice paper of frosted glass, preserve light flow and foster a sense of openness. To maintain the home's minimal footprint, every cabinet is designed with dual function in mind. A floor-to-ceiling unit in living area hosts not only books and pottery, but cleverly folds down into a compact tea table or futon storage. In the kitchen, vertical pull-out cabinet slide open to reveal tiered shelving for spices, cookware, and even a fold-out prep station, allowing the cook to maximize every moment and motion. Soft close drawers, conceal hardware, and integrated lighting add subtle luxury, all while preserving the tranquility of the space. Above all, these cabinets serve as quiet guardians of order, offering enough room for essential yet encouraging mindfulness in possessions. This synthesis of traditional Japanese craftsmanship and modern ingenuity offers a compelling blueprint for anyone seeking beauty, function, and stillness in a small space. Whether you are nestled in the Carolina countryside or a city corner, elegant multifunctional cabinets are the key to unlocking the harmonious tiny home lifestyle.